corruption going on in Indian Air Force. As Air Force officer, commanding officer, and senior air officers, imagine that Indian Air Force is their own and their house property. Air Force Act 45 of 1950, which are the Air Force Bill 1949, received the assent of the President on 18 May 1950 after being passed by both the houses of Parliament, and Air Force Rules 1969. Whenever they want, they can impose to any air warrior and punish the air warrior. They violate the Air Force Act 1950 and also violate Air Force Rules 1969, and nobody is there to object their violation of Air Force Act and Air Force Rules, because under mentioned complaint happened with Sergeant Dipankar Datta while he was on active service. The leave application of Sergeant Dipankar Datta only displayed. Afterwards, it will be discussed. Section 47, ill-treating a subordinate. Any officer, warrant officer, or non-commissioned officer who use criminal force to or otherwise ill-treats any person subject to this act, being his subordinate, in rank or position, shall, on conviction by court-martial, be liable to suffer imprisonment for a term which may extend to 7 years or such less punishment as he is this act mentioned. धारा 47, एक अधीनस्थ का इलाज कोई भी अधिकारी, वारंट अधिकारी या गैर कमीशन अधिकारी जो इस अधिनियम के अधीन किसी भी व्यक्ति को आपराधिक बल का उपयोग करता है या अन्यथा दुर्व्यवहार करता है, रैंक या स्थिति में उसका अधीनस्थ होने के नाते कोर्ट मार्शल द्वारा दोष सिद्धि पर कारावास भुगतना होगा, एक अवधि के लिए जो 7 साल तक हो सकती है, या ऐसी कम सजा जो इस अधिनियम में उल्लिखित है. Section 39, absent without leave. Any person subject to this act who commits any of the following offense, that is to say, A. Absent himself without leave, or B. Without sufficient cause, overstay leave granted to him, or C. Being on leave of absence and having received information from proper authority that any unit or detachment to which he belongs has been ordered on active service, fails without sufficient cause to rejoin without delay, or D. Without sufficient cause fails to appear at the time fixed at the parade or place appointed for exercise or duty, or E. When on parade or on the line of march without sufficient cause or without leave from his superior officer quits the parade or line of march, or F. When in camp or elsewhere is found beyond any limit fixed or in any place prohibited by any general, local or other order without a pass or written leave from his superior officer, or G. Without leave from his superior officer or without due cause, absent himself from any school when duly ordered to attend there, shall on conviction by court-martial be liable to suffer imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years or such less punishment as is in this act mentioned. धारा 39 छुट्टी के बिना अनुपस्थिति पिछले का अगला। इस अधिनियम के अधीन कोई भी व्यक्ति जो निम्नलिखित में से कोई भी अपराध करता है, अर्थात छुट्टी के बिना खुद को अनुपस्थित या पर्याप्त कारण के बिना उसे दी गई छुट्टी से अधिक समय तक रहता है, या अनुपस्थिति की छुट्टी पर होने और उचित अधिकारी से यह जानकारी प्राप्त करने के बाद कि वह जिस इकाई या टुकड़ी से संबंधित है उसे सक्रिय सेवा पर आदेश दिया गया है, बिना पर्याप्त कारण के बिना देरी के फिर से शामिल होने में विफल रहता है, या बिना पर्याप्त कारण के नियत समय पर परेड या व्यायाम या कर्तव्य के लिए नियत स्थान पर उपस्थित होने में असफल रहता है, या जब परेड पर या मार्च की लाइन पर पर्याप्त कारण के बिना या अपने वरिष्ठ अधिकारी से छुट्टी के बिना परेड या मार्च की लाइन छोड़ देता है, या जब शिविर में या कोई और किसी भी सामान्य स्थानीय या अन्य आदेश द्वारा अपने वरिष्ठ अधिकारी के पास या लिखित छुट्टी के बिना निर्धारित सीमा से परे या किसी भी स्थान पर निषिद्ध पाया जाता है, या अपने वरिष्ठ अधिकारी की छुट्टी के बिना या बिना किसी कारण के किसी भी स्कूल से अनुपस्थित रहने का आदेश दिए जाने पर वहां उपस्थित होने के लिए कोर्ट मार्शल द्वारा दोष सिद्ध पर एक अवधि के लिए कारावास, जिसे 3 वर्ष तक बढ़ाया जा सकता है, या ऐसा कम दंड जो इस अधिनियम में वर्णित है, भुगतने के लिए उत्तरदायी होगा। एयरफोर्स रूल्स 1969 पैरा नंबर 30 पावर ऑफ minor punishment of subordinate commanders, subject to the provision of sub rules 2, an officer other than the commanding officer who has, with the consent of the central government, been specified by the chief of air staff as a subordinate commander, may award such a minor punishment and to such extent as specified in this rule. Number 2, the subordinate commanders specified in the column 1 of the table below, if authorized in this behalf by the commanding officer or other officer exercising the power of a commanding officer, may award to the person specified in column 2 the minor punishment specified in the column 3 thereof, provided that when an officer of the rank of flight lieutenant is officiating in an appointment normally held by an officer of higher rank, or when no subordinate commander of the rank of squadron leader or above is available, an officer of the rank of the flight lieutenant shall not be authorized to award the punishment of fine. Table. Authority person In this table you can see officer of the rank of flight lieutenant or above can punish airman below non-commissioned rank, reprimand, admonition, confinement to the camp for a period not exceeding 7 days, extra guard or duties not exceeding 3 in number, admonition, fine not exceeding 4 days, pay provided that an airman shall not be fined more than 7 days pay in any 1 month. Here I want to show the leave application of Sergeant Deepankar Datta. That was here 29 and 30 November 2008 to 13 and 14 12 2008, and same time he was punished after the leave was approved by the commanding officer VP Nathkanni, Flight Lieutenant. The leave was approved and warrant number 02CC 589 565. Here the punishment sheet is there. You can see here 7:30 hours of 28 November to 07:30 hours of 15 December 2018. Leave was started 29 November 2008 and up to 14 December 2008. The warrant number is 02CC 589 565 and the leave was approved by VP Nathkanni, Flight Lieutenant Commanding Officer. Here Air Force Authority ill-treating me by violating the section number 47 of Air Force Act 1950. Name of the complainant Dipankar Datta. Date of receipt 14/8/2021. Received by Ministry of the Department, Prime Minister Office. Grievance description. Indian Air Force Authority ill-treated me as per Air Force Act 47, 1950 by converting my approved leave into absent without leave and punished me by officiating commanding officer Wing Commander Timaiya as per Air Force Act 39, 1950 and forfeited my total leave 17 days payment and allowances 12,000 rupees at a time, which was violating Air Force Rules number 30, 1969, para number 2, sub para number 1, sub para 4. My leave was approved by Commanding Officer Flight Lieutenant VP Natkani and provide me free relay warrant Sirsa to Howrah and back, and warrant number as reflected in leave application was 02CC 589565. My hometown West Bengal Police come my residence to apprehended me, but after seeing approved leave authority, they remarks this was your internal unit case and leave me with due respect. But after returning 707 SU-45 wing Air Force, I was punished and forfeited my 17 days payment allowances after 22 years of regular service. The approved application and punishment service document sheet attached for the proper justification. The current status of the complaint was closed by Air Force Authority, and the remarks reply received from 45 Wing Air Force against the grievance. Number 2, it is intimated that the above named air warrior of 707 SU was posted out to 503 SU with effect 27 November 2011. Further, CO of 707 SU has intimated that there is no record available with unit for the year 2008. Officer concerned to officer name Squadron Leader SS Chahal, officer designation Nodal Officer CPGRAMS, headquarter WC, contact address, email address as below. Section number 37, absent without leave, Air Force Act 1950. Also violating the Air Force Rule 1969, para number 30, table 1, para 1, sub para 4. It is clearly written here, fine not exceeding 4 days, pay provided that an airman shall not be fined more than 7 days pay in any 1 month. 4 दिनों के वेतन से अधिक का जुर्माना बशर्त के एक एयरमैन पर किसी एक महीने में 7 दिनों के वेतन से अधिक का जुर्माना न लगाया जाए. But in this case, violating the Air Force Act 47 of 1950, also violating the Air Force Act 39 of 1950, and forfeited total leave amount 17 days payment 12,000 rupees at a time. Was violating Air Force Rule number 30 1969 para 2 sub para 1 sub para 4. And remarks for the Nodal Officer of Indian Air Force Authority. Reply received from 45 Wing Air Force against the grievance. Number 2, it is intimated that the above named air warrior of 707 SU was posted out to 503 SU with effect 27 November 2011. Further, CO of 707 SU has intimated that there is no record available with unit for the year 2008. That means the leave document of Sergeant Dipankar Datta was already vanished. The Air Force Authority is not giving any response about this ill-treated and violating of this Air Force Act and Air Force rules. They don't want to disclose, and they already tear the leave application authority. They don't want to give any reply.